or possibly you're all by yourself. Any social events that we had planned are canceled, and we're told to isolate as much as possible to stop the spread of the coronavirus. And that's why today I wanted to talk about ways that we could all better manage the isolation that we are experiencing, because it's really hard. And if we are already struggling with mental health issues like anxiety or depression, or really any mental illness, the lack of in-person therapy, support groups, connecting with others can make our symptoms and struggles so much worse. Just the other day, I experienced a very strange side effect of social isolation: fear of other people.
Hello, good morning, everyone. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I miss my mother, my sister-in-laws, and my friends. This past few weeks is a strange one for me, so we have to encourage ourselves to do some positive thoughts. We have to do something in the social media. I'm glad we have YouTube so we can reach out and share our likes and projects to all our friends. And then there's Instagram. I like I like to watch those president's briefing, because we learn something, what we can do to avoid stress and what's happening in the world now. So I like those, and I like that I learned something from Instagram. TikTok, I learned how to move a little bit, which I don't before. And then I learned something also from, is that Katie Morton, about her program, and I want to follow her. So I will learn something what we can do, how to focus ourselves in a positive thought. And physical distancing. I know she mentioned about physical distancing instead of social distancing, because we can still connect our family and friends in the social media. So connect your family members, focus on small stuff instead of big ones, because you get stressed out. You stress out if you think on something big. So start something small. Text a friend, and then we try to manage our anxiety. We need to stretch ourselves, like what I did this morning. Exercise, take a walk, take your dog out, focus ourselves, how you are feeling today. Exercise your mind in a positive thought instead of thinking something big, especially when you're at home, you're feeling lonely, and you're anxious to do something big. And you can't do that because of, this pandemic. And you cannot just go and travel because of this. So we need to figure out ourselves in a positive way.